Hi, I'm Molly and welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if it's your first time. In today's video, I want to help you get your best results with the ZIIP Halo. Very quickly, I will say as a refresher, ZIIP is the only device that uses both nanocurrent and microcurrent. Microcurrent stimulates your muscles. That's what gives you that immediate lift, that wow factor for the before and after, and it helps with lymphatic drainage, helping pull that excess fluid out of your skin. Nanocurrent works by mimicking the electrical currents that we naturally have in our body. It sends signals to your brain to produce more of those building blocks of collagen. That's how we get skin that is dense, bouncier, has a nice glow, all of those things that we associate with being healthy, your best skin. Let's get right into the tips. The first thing that I want you to assess, are you the type of person that wants to get this done in the morning, or do you want to wind down at night by using the ZIIP? 2, how much time do you have? Do you have 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or do you have 4 minutes? What are your skincare goals? Think about what you want. Do you want depuffing? Do you want lifting? Do you want contour? And then figure out your timing, how much time you have, 20 minutes, and work backwards from there. There are 13 treatment programs in the ZIIP app. You can mix and match. The time is listed on each of the different treatments. There are pre-programmed 7, 14, and 30-day plans under plans. Now, these are great if you really want somebody to hold your hand and walk you through. I think they're fabulous. I like to personalize mine a little bit more, so I go over to treatments. What I used to do was really focus on the treatments that would puff. I was retaining a lot of fluid and I was having trouble sleeping. So I was waking up really puffy and really tired looking. I made sure to be doing the lift, jowls, depuff, contour, and then if I had time, I always like to wrap it up with the founder's favorite. And then about a year ago, I was not sleeping at all. I was miserable. I did a sleep study, and what I found was that I was waking up almost 30 times per hour. 30 times per hour. So no wonder I was waking up feeling and looking exhausted. Now I have a CPAP machine which wraps around your face. You look like Darth Vader going to bed. It's not attractive, but the amount of sleep that you get is very attractive. So that makes up for it immediately. I feel like a brand new person. I also started taking a GLP-1 medication called Zepbound, which is approved for sleep apnea. The Zepbound, the GLP-1, has helped me lose weight. And once you lose a little bit of fat in your face, your fine lines will show more. The reason I'm sharing this is because my routine changed from depuffing to focusing on plumping and lifting. You can see my mask presses right here into the sides of my mouth. So now I do the lift, and then I'll do jowls, founder's favorite for glow and stimulating that collagen so that my skin stays bouncy, eyes, and then this is my favorite part, I'll do plump all over my forehead, and then I'll reprogram it in to plump around my eyes, sync it again, and then I'll do it around my mouth to plump these areas. It's so effective. Moving into tip number 3. This is the founder of ZIIP, Melanie, and she's going through the treatment and walking you through where to apply your gel and then where to hold the device on your face. Once you hit sync treatment and you hear the 3 beeps, beep, 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 it's synced with the device. ZIIP has already auto-programmed the intensity of that routine with where the ZIIP should be on your face. So the biggest mistake I made when I started using the ZIIP device was not following along with the video and just sort of rushing things. I would move it really quickly and then hold it in one spot, and I wasn't really optimizing the treatment. I was spending the time, but I wasn't getting the best results right away. Because it's perfectly programmed and Melanie is showing you the movements, you're gonna get your best result because you're gonna get the right intensity, stimulating the right muscles, the right spots in your face. So don't make the same mistake as me. Really follow along with those videos. Even if you want to just turn the volume off or down low, you can glance down and just check in and make sure that you're in the right spot. Don't make the same mistake as me. Follow the videos. Number 4, the last tip I want to share with you is to never spray your cleaner directly onto the ZIIP. Spray your alcohol into the cotton round, and then I wipe the device into the cloth and the alcohol. That way there's not a chance for any of the alcohol to be getting in the port or in any of the globes. So I hope that this was helpful, sharing both the mistakes I've made and the tips that I have picked up in using the device for so long. I hope that they're helpful to you. If you have any other questions at all, please let me know. I do have my routine linked on the blog at girlgetglamorous.com. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. That's what I'm here for. And I do appreciate you watching. I hope that this helped you out, and I will see you in the next video.